about what we could have been. Got me locked up, all these questions I would've, should been. Alas 4 ng umaga inaabot sa mga liham na hindi ko maiabot. Puno ng bakit at tanong kahit walang sagot. Palihim nagtatanong kung tama ba ito. Father, you are the more elusive. Rather choose a resemblance of all your excuses. Excuse too much of your tragedy. Separated us from reality. Never realized all this was casualty. Brought me insanity, all because I excuse too much of your tragedy. Separated us from reality. Never realized all this was casualty. Brought me insanity, all because I excuse too much of your tragedy. Separated us from reality. Never realized all this was casualty. All because if I knew this from the start, how you played your part, made a picture perfect art. Now it's all I've got. Dahan-dahan na ba unti-unti kung nais makaalis sa aking pagkukonsinti sa'yo. Alas 4 ng umaga inaabot, umiisip ng senaryong di maabot. Kada gabi ay binabalot ng aking lungkot. Palihim nagtatanong kung tama ba ito. Can't believe I spent so much time letting all that slide. Chose to put aside for you the best of my pride.